Today I will show how to make a simple motorboat at home. First I take two small bottles like that, this, and I take a cardboard and stick it on top of that two things. So it looks like this. Then with the help of Fevikwik, then I take a uh, thermocol and stick it over here for the height, so the propeller over it won't hit in the bottles. Then I take a bottle and cut it and make it like a propeller or wings. Then I attach the motor to that with the help of a Shilpakar you can get in the stores. Then we should keep the battery over here and go.